When I first came to my new school, everything felt strange. The yard was full of girls talking and laughing, but I always sat alone with my book. I pretended to read, but inside I wished someone would come and say, "Can I sit with you?" One windy day, I walked outside during break. Suddenly, the wind blew my book from my hands, and all the pages flew across the ground. I felt my face burn with embarrassment. Some girls looked, some whispered, and I didn't know what to do. Then someone quietly knelt beside me. I looked up and saw a girl with a blue scarf and a warm smile. She said, "Don't worry, I'll help you." Her name was Zainab. She gathered the pages one by one and handed them to me. Then she said softly, "Some days are hard, but Allah sends people to help us." From that day, we started talking more. We sat together during break, helped each other with homework, and shared stories about our families and dreams. Zainab was the kind of girl who really listened, and that made me feel important. But the moment I truly understood what a real friend is happened on a day I will never forget. One morning in our Quran class, the teacher asked me to read. I tried, but my voice shook. I made a few mistakes. A couple of girls giggled. My heart dropped. My eyes filled with tears. But then I felt Zainab's hand on mine. She whispered, "Take a deep breath. You can do it." Then she stood up and said to the class, "Everyone makes mistakes. The one who reads is trying. The one who laughs is only watching." The whole class went silent. I read the verse again, this time clearly. When I finished, Zainab smiled at me like I had done something amazing. After class, she told me, "A real friend stands with you when others step back, and I'm with you." That day I realized something important. A real friend is not just someone who laughs with you. A real friend is someone who lifts you up when you fall. Someone who sees your heart, not your mistakes. Years have passed, but I still remember. Some people come into our lives for a short time, but some people, like Zainab, are gifts from Allah to comfort our hearts. And that is the day I learned what a real friend truly is.